thing is, I can't afford to pay the heat. I had to farm out my kids. Sold everything I got that anybody would buy. I went on public assistance and signed on to bank loans. They gave me $19. I need another $18.38 so I can pay the bill and get the kids back. You know me well enough to know if I had anywhere else to go, I wouldn't be here. You can help me through this time, I'm sure would be great.
У камина в 6 утра разбитая душа, и все твои обещания пустота.